pros. A little conundrum came up today while I was playing with use selected bone for flexi-binding, which is described in tutorial 3.5. So here's what I encountered. Here's the default binding of this little egg character, and as you'd expect, it distorts like all kinds of crazy ways. So I used the tutorial in 3.5 to use selected bones for flexi-binding, isolating the red leg with these 4 bones and the green leg with these 3. And as you can see, I'm still getting a certain degree of distortion. I was finding that really frustrating. But then I thought, well, let's try to layer bind the body of the character in addition to using selected bones here for flexi binding in each of the legs. And as you can see, I get a much more pleasing result. There we go. So I tried one more step, which was to use the selected bones for flexi binding on the body and on the legs, and I got also a pleasing result. So I think the advantage of this one is, of course, you could have more than one bone in the body and use the flexi binding there, whereas with layer bones you're pretty much stuck with one bone. So that's what I learned, for what it's worth.